अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट और आप देख रहे हैं वे यू गेट।
Today, I am sharing the ultimate blueprint to master your virtual university midterm exams. This isn't just about studying hard, it's about studying smart. If you want to secure a high CGPA, listen closely to these 4 golden rules. So we starting with Section 1, the handout secret. First, understand that the official handouts are your primary source. Virtual university examiners pull 80% of the exam directly from these files. When you read your PDF, look for any text in bold or italics. These are high-probability MCQs. Always review the learning objectives and self-assessment questions. They are the foundation of your paper. Section 2, winning the MCQs. The objective portion is your biggest opportunity. It carries more than half of your total marks. Use past paper files for practice, but don't just memorize them. Understand the core concepts, because the system often changes the wording of the questions to test your actual knowledge. Section 3, subjective strategy. When it comes to subjective questions, don't write long, messy paragraphs. Examiners prefer clear, concise bullet points. Use the specific technical keywords found in your handouts. This shows the checker that you actually understand the subject. And remember, never leave a box empty. Even a partial answer can earn you marks. Section 4, exam software tips. Finally, manage your time wisely in the testing center. If a question is confusing, use the flag system and move on. Secure the easy marks first. Most importantly, click the save button after every answer. Technical glitches happen, and you don't want to lose your hard work.